Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what's happening. Open Activation in Settings to see the exact message and any code. Once done, make sure you have a valid product key or that your Microsoft account holds a digital license. Also, verify internet access and that Windows is fully updated. Activation requires online validation. These immediate checks prevent wasted steps and tell you whether you need to buy a license, sign in, or run the built-in troubleshooter to resolve common validation. Next, obtain or apply a legitimate license so activation can complete. If you need a key, buy it through the Microsoft Store or an authorized seller and sign into the same Microsoft account used on the PC. Once purchased, choose Change Product Key in Activation and type the 25-character key. The system validates it online. If you upgraded editions, make sure the key matches your Windows edition, because mismatched editions prevent activation even with a valid key. Finally, confirm activation and finish the process. After a successful license validation, restart Windows and the watermark should be gone. If activation fails, run the built-in activation troubleshooter and sign into the Microsoft account tied to your digital license. These steps resolve most issues. Make sure system time, edition, and hardware changes aren't blocking validation. If trouble continues, contact Microsoft support with your purchase receipt and the error code so they can validate entitlement and complete activation for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.